So this video is all about learning how to unlock your Mac with your Apple Watch. Let the download begin. So yes, guys, you can actually use your Apple Watch to unlock your Mac, but there are a couple of things you have to make sure before we get started. So one of the first things you have to do is make sure your Mac's Wi-Fi is turned on. You have to make sure that the Bluetooth itself is turned on as well. You have to make sure that your watch has a passcode on it. And you have to make sure that your Mac isn't using internet or screen sharing. And finally, you also have to make sure that your Mac has Allow Apple Watch to unlock your Mac selected in the settings and privacy preferences. So we're going to go through all those settings really quickly on the Mac. I'm going to show you exactly where to go to find them, and then we're going to set up the watch to unlock the Mac. Okay, so one of the easiest ways to check to make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on is by going into the Wi-Fi symbol here, making sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. And then we can check to make sure your Bluetooth's on by going to that Bluetooth symbol here on your home screen and making sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. They have the option here to turn it off, so that's how I know that it's currently turned on. Now you also want to go into your System Preferences, and you want to go into Security and Privacy, and under Security and Privacy in the General Settings option, you want to make sure that this option here is clicked. And it's going to ask you for your passcode, and then this will allow the Apple Watch to turn on your Mac, but it's telling you that the watch must be signed into your iCloud account in order to unlock the Mac. Okay, so now the best way to check to make sure your Mac is signed into your iCloud account is to go under to the Apple logo. You're going to go to System Preferences, and then from System Preferences, you would just click on your iCloud tab here, and that would lead you into your iCloud account. You would enter your username, your email address, and password to sign in. Make sure that's signed in, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in on the watch to make sure that they're pairing up. So now you also want to make sure that one more setting on your Mac is enabled, and that's two-factor authentication. And the way you enable two-factor on your Mac is go to that Apple logo again. We're going to go to System Preferences. We're going to go to iCloud, Account Details, and Security, and then you're going to make sure the two-factor authentication is turned on. So now, in order to check that your Apple Watch is correctly connected to your iCloud account, what you're going to do is go into your phone. You're going to open the Apple Watch app here, scroll down, and you're going to go into that General tab here. And then in the General tab, you're just going to go into Apple ID, and you make sure that your account matches what you currently have on your computer. All right, guys, so now the final thing that you have to do in order to get this working is to make sure that the watch is on and on your wrist in order for it to detect that the Mac needs to be unlocked with the watch. And then all you have to do is power your Mac on as normal and unlocked. Guys, make sure you check out some of our other Apple Watch Series 4 videos. We're showing you exactly how to take full advantage of this thing, use it to its full potential, understand all its features and benefits, and also troubleshoot any problems that may appear. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And until next time, peace.